On March 14, 1998, Kathy Hobbs, a 47-year-old administrative assistant from Henderson, Nevada, told her husband she'd had a vivid premonition. Not vague, anxiety-specific, a car accident involving someone close to her would occur within 2 days, in or near Las Vegas. She described a male figure, a highway location, even the direction the vehicle was traveling. Her husband, Mark Hobbs, dismissed it as stress. He worked long hours. They'd argued about finances. By March 16th, the premonition had begun to feel like something she'd imagined. That morning, her brother-in-law, David Chen, a 51-year-old contractor, was driving south on Boulder Highway when his Chevy Silverado hydroplaned in light rain. He died at Desert Springs Hospital 3 hours after impact. Investigators ruled the death accidental within days. Wet road, worn tires, speed inappropriate for conditions. Routine. But Kathy's premonition had spread through the family by then, and whispers became questions. Did she know something beforehand? Had there been conflict with David? Insurance investigators interviewed Mark, then Kathy, looking for motive or advance knowledge. No evidence emerged. What did emerge, through discovery documents obtained by Chen's estate in 2019, was that Kathy had visited a local psychic, Maria Delgado, on March 10, 4 days before the accident. No record existed of what was discussed. Delgado refused comment. The timing fueled speculation. Had Delgado's reading triggered false memory? Or had she genuinely perceived something? In 2007, retired LVPD Detective James Krutkowski reopened his case files as part of a personal archive project. He discovered an overlooked detail in Kathy's original statement. She had mentioned the accident would involve someone in motion, someone going away. David Chen was driving away from Las Vegas, not toward it, the opposite of what Kathy claimed to visualize. Krutkowski noted the discrepancy but didn't revise the file. Then, in 2016, Mark Hobbs died of a sudden heart attack during a business trip to Boulder City, the exact town where David's accident occurred, on a road adjacent to Boulder Highway. No accident. No collision. Just cardiac arrest, alone in a rental car. Had Kathy's premonition been misinterpreted all along? Two competing explanations remain. The skeptical reading. Kathy experienced anxiety about her marriage, visited a psychic who extracted emotional details, and unconsciously retrofitted the premonition to match David's actual accident, a common cognitive bias called Jean Dixon effect. The accident itself was inevitable in a city of 2 million, on roads driven daily by thousands. Coincidence, not clairvoyance. The alternative. Kathy perceived a genuine precognitive flash but misidentified the subject. Her unconscious mind knew Mark's health was declining. He'd complained of chest pain months before his death and collapsed the timeline into a 48-hour window. She saw death by vehicle, but the vehicle was metaphorical. Both explanations require no supernatural agency. Both leave questions unanswered. 26 years later, no investigation into Kathy Hobbs remains open. She lives in Phoenix under a different name, according to public records. Maria Delgado's shop closed in 2001. Mark Hobbs was cremated. David Chen's file is archived. What persists is the alignment of 3 facts: a woman speaking a specific fear, a man dying in a specific way, on a specific road, exactly when she predicted. Whether that alignment was message or machinery, pattern or probability, remains a question each of us must answer alone.